In front of me is Nokia 3210, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening menu and scrolling down to get into settings. Then you need to select connectivity and tap on Bluetooth. When you're ready, activate Bluetooth and then scroll down to select the Devices Found option. Hit Add New Device, wait for available ones to show up, and when they do, click on the chosen one. Then click on this left button, select Pair in the middle, and wait. Now you need to select OK in the pop-up to accept pairing request and wait for the other device to do the same. Then choose OK or click on this X in Auto Connect pop-up. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!